Afternoon, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Tuesday, November 28, 2023 on our planet. Hope you're all well. Are you feeling it in the head yet? Probably. So this is a space weather report. I'm going to be doing an update. I'm going to have to break this up into two separate videos. So what you're looking at right now is a direct Earth-facing upper M-class flare, M9.8. It's leveling off now. It still has the potential of reigniting into an X-class flare. Now let's back up a couple of days. So earlier we had two large filament eruptions erupt from this quadrant of our sun. They have ejected two coronal mass ejections, which are earthbound. However, following that, we also have a large coronal hole opening, which will release the accelerated solar winds. And now, on top of that, we have our upper level M-class flare from region 3501 popping off. Again, directly Earth facing. One moment. So there's our flare. And yes, okay, so we're starting to level off and descend. However, again, people, it still has the potential for popping off again to an X-class flare. We shall see. Now, this is the emerald spiral for the two filament eruptions. Earlier, I will go through the timing with you. So far, it looks like each one will be side swiping us. First one, second one. Earth is the green diamond. Please keep in mind, folks, that our protective magnetosphere is also weakened. Now, they have updated this. I'll take you through the timing. So our first CME impact will be Thursday, November 30th at 0200 UTC time. If you're on the west coast of North America, we minus 7 hours, therefore it will be 7 p.m. Pacific time. Our second one will be Friday, December 1st at 0600 UTC, minus 7 hours west coast. We'll put it at 11 p.m. It'll peak at approximately 11 o'clock in the morning UTC and finish at approximately 11 p.m. UTC on the same day. This does not include or upper level M-class flaring. So while I got you here, and for the new people, I'm going to break this up into two separate videos. A little bit of education here. I like to use this pictorial example. So the firearm is our sun. The muzzle flash is the flare that we see on our sun. It is the bright flash of light. That energy, that burst of X-rays, takes only 8 minutes traveling at the speed of light to reach the Earth. And because the upper level M-class flare was directly Earth-facing, I'm sure a lot of us have felt that. 15 to 72 hours later, we have a coronal mass ejection, the cloud of gas being expelled from the sun or the muzzle of the firearm, containing billions of tons of the highly charged particles. In this case, and we don't know yet if a CME is associated with that latest M9 class flare. If it is, folks, We already have 2 CMEs inbound, followed by the coronal hole opening, excuse me, releasing the accelerated solar winds. And now we have this M9.8 class flare with the possibility of still erupting into the upper M class, lower X class flaring. So I'm working at doing better videos. For now, this is what you're going to get. And this baby. So that bright flash, that's the flare. That's the muzzle flash of the firearm. You may be feeling it. And I'll get back to you shortly on the second video.